In the previous lecture, we have seen what are the cycles in the template and how to use it, how we can implement cycles in our template and where we can use it. Now in this lecture we'll see how to use include variable in our template. So just go to this as template and a new file, just save it and object detail-detail.html. okay, fine. So we need to just copy and paste the code over here, and just like we need to include, just remove this code and we need to just include the file name book_detail.html. okay, just save it and go through this, just refresh the page, just go to home, just go to list view. Okay, permission denied, we got some error. Okay, fine, just save it and go through this again. Okay, so through block content we can use it in the to change our title, just like go to the title and make a title just like home page. So just home and just make it block content over here, just like block content. Okay, and over here just end block. Okay, and block content. Fine. So through this we can also provide the block not block content, but let's make it a block title, just like a block title and end block title. Okay, so that Django, so block title just like my title and just end block. Okay, and block title. Okay, so just save it and go through this. Okay, so this is our home. Great. And if we go to the view, okay, my title. Great. So in the view this will display our title which we have provided over here, and in the home view it will display home. So great. And what if I want both the title and the view? So I can put the pipe over here and just like we can define title.super okay, super.title. okay, so just like block.super, just refresh it. Great. So we can merge both the titles over here, my title and home as well, and if I go to the home it will display me the home only. So this is how you can change your title according to your views for particular view, and you can change it as a journal. So this is basically a Django templates, and inherit the template and extend the templates and provide the views of whatever you want, change the title, and this is the block.super. super is the base class, means base method. This is for your usage purpose. Okay, so if you have any doubt, let us know, otherwise keep going. We have seen how to use include variable. In next lecture we'll see how to override Django's default template.